ASE Practice Test 2026 Automotive Service Excellence, Full Course Final Review Key Concepts. Question 1. Which component is responsible for reducing NOx, nitrogen oxide, in the exhaust? PCV valve, EGR valve, air filter, thermostat. The exhaust gas recirculation valve lowers combustion temperatures to reduce NOx. Question 2. A technician uses a scan tool to find a P0300 code. What does this indicate? High fuel pressure, random or multiple cylinder misfire, transmission slip, brake wear. P0300 is a generic code for random/multiple misfires. Question 3. What tool is best for checking parasitic battery drain? Test light, ammeter, DVOM in series, voltmeter in parallel, ohm meter. An ammeter connected in series measures the current draw when the car is off. Question 4. If a brake pedal feels spongy, what is the most likely cause? Worn pads, air in the hydraulic lines, warped rotors, sticking caliper. Air is compressible, leading to a spongy or soft pedal feel. Question 5. What is the purpose of the oxygen sensor, O2 sensor? To measure engine oil. To monitor the amount of oxygen in the exhaust for fuel trim. To cool the engine. To charge the battery. O2 sensors provide feedback to the PCM to adjust the air-fuel ratio. Question 6. A blue smoke condition from the exhaust usually indicates coolant leak, oil being burned in the combustion chamber, rich fuel mixture, lean fuel mixture. Blue smoke is a classic sign of burning oil. Question 7. What is the primary function of a catalytic converter? To muffle engine noise. To convert harmful gases into less harmful ones. To increase horsepower. To cool the exhaust. It uses chemical reactions to reduce HC, CO, and NOx. Question 8. A whining noise from a power steering pump often indicates high tire pressure, low fluid level or air in the system, worn brake pads, bad spark plugs. Low fluid causes the pump to cavitate and whine. Question 9. What does a cylinder leak down test determine? Battery health. Where exactly a cylinder is losing compression. Fuel pump pressure. Tire tread depth. By injecting air into a cylinder, you can hear where it escapes, valves, rings, etc. Question 10. What is the function of the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, system? To heat the cabin. To remove blow-by gases from the crankcase. To boost turbo pressure. To lubricate the valves. PCV prevents pressure buildup and oil contamination by routing gases to the intake. Question 11. A starting system problem with a fast clicking sound is often a bad engine, a low battery or poor connection, a clogged air filter, a broken belt. Clicking usually indicates insufficient current to hold the starter solenoid. Question 12. In a disc brake system, what component squeals when the pads are low? The rotor, the wear indicator tab, the master cylinder, the brake line. A small metal tab is designed to rub the rotor and make noise when pads are worn. Question 13. What happens if a thermostat is stuck open? The engine will overheat. The engine will take a long time to reach operating temperature. The heater will get too hot. The car will not start. An open thermostat allows constant cooling, preventing the engine from warming up. Question 14. The ABS light on the dashboard indicates a problem with the airbags, the anti-lock braking system, the automatic belt system, the audio base system. ABS monitors wheel speed and prevents lockup during braking. Question 15. What is viscosity in engine oil? The color of the oil. The oil's resistance to flow. The price of the oil. The brand of the oil. Viscosity describes how thick or thin the oil is. Question 16. A lean air-fuel mixture means there is too much fuel, too much air relative to fuel, no air, perfect balance. Lean is more air, rich is more fuel. Question 17. What is the purpose of DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes? To fix the car automatically. To provide a starting point for diagnosis. To tell the driver to buy a new car. To change the oil. Codes identify the circuit or system where the PCM has detected a fault. Question 18. Which sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine? MAP sensor. MAF, mass airflow, sensor. O2 sensor. TPS sensor. The MAF sensor is the primary air intake volume sensor. Question 19. A DVOM set to ohms measures voltage, resistance, amperage, temperature. Ohms are the unit of electrical resistance. Question 20. What is the role of the timing belt or timing chain? To drive the alternator. To synchronize the crankshaft and camshaft. To stop the car. To turn the fan. Proper timing is essential for valve operation relative to piston position.